Hello, in this part we will make discussion on how display notification to user when someone has liked his post, so we have goindex.php page. First we want to make header, so we have used bootstrap navigation barcode for make simple header on this page. So for this we have go to this website, and from this website we have copy this code and paste on our page. Now we want only write navigation part for display notifications, so we have removed this code, and here list tag we have add one class is equal to drop down. This is bootstrap class and it will help us to make drop down menu. After this an anchor tag we have also add class name is equal to drop down toggle class, and data variable toggle is equal to drop down. This will use for drop-down menu open and close. For display unread notification we have create one label with class is equal to label pill label danger and count. Between this label tag we will display number of unread notification with background orange color. Here we have define an order list tag with attribute it is equal drop-down menu. Under this tag we will display notification list. So our bootstrap header is ready. Now we have moved to write jQuery code for fetch notification from table. So in jQuery first we have make one simple function with name like load unseen notification with argument view is equal to blank. This function will fetch notification from table and also fetch number of unseen notification also. Under this function we have write Ajax request, and under Ajax request first we have write URL option set to load notification.php page. We have send request to this page. In second option we have write method set to post method. We have used post method to send data to server. In third option we have write data option. In this post we have write which data we want to send to server. Here we have send view argument value send to server. In fourth option we have define data type is equal to JSON. That means when request has been completed then it will return data in JSON format. Lastly in Ajax we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request has been completed, and it will receive data from server which we can fetch from this data argument. Under this function we will write code after write code into load notification.php file. So we have go to load notification.php file, and on this file first we want to make database connection. So here we have write include statement, and under this we have write database connection.php file. This will make database connection. After this we have write if statement, and under condition we have write set function with $post view variable. This condition will check value of this variable is set or not. If value is set then it will execute if block of code. Under this function we have write $query variable is equal select query like select user content like table.user ID, content table.description, user details.username, user details.user image from user content like table. Then after we have make inner join with content table on content table.content it is equal to user content like table.content. Same way we want to make inner join with user details table, so we have write inner join user details on user details table.user ID is equal to user content like table.user ID. In condition we write where content table.user ID is equal to user id, and user content like table.status is equal to status order by user content like table.user content like id in descending order. This is our simple select query for fetch notification data with user details and content details. So now we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement, and under this we have write $query variable. This statement may query for execution. After this we want to execute this query, so we have write $statement variable with execute method, and under this we have pass value of :user id value from $session user id variable, and :status value is equal to node seen in array format. This code will execute query. Now we want to fetch result from query execution. So we have write $result variable is equal to $statement variable with fetch all method. This code will fetch result from query execution. Then after we want to get number of rows affected after query execution, so we have write $total row variable is equal to $statement variable with row count method. This method will return number of rows from query result and store into $total row variable. Below this we have create $1 output variable is equal to blank value. Under this variable we will store notification data in HTML format. After this we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $total row variable value greater than 0. This condition will check if this variable value is greater than 0, then it will execute if block of code, otherwise it will execute else block of code. Suppose total row variable value is equal to 0, then it will execute else block of code, and under this block we have write $output variable is equal to list tag, and between this we have write text no notification found. But suppose $total row variable value is greater than 0, then it will execute if block of code, and under this we have write for each loop with $result variable as $row variable. By using for each loop we can fetch data from $result variable. Under this loop we have defined $1 username variable is equal to blank value. Under this variable we will store username with profile image. Below this we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $row user id variable value is equal to $session user id variable value. This condition will check if both variable value is matched, then it will execute if block, otherwise it will execute else block. Suppose both variable value match. That means particular user has liked his own post, and here we have write $username variable is equal to image tag sources equal to images folder / $row user image variable. This will display user image, and here username we have write UHA because this user has liked his own post. But both variable value is not matched, then it will execute else block of code, and under this block we have write $username variable is equal image tagged with attribute source is equal images folder name / $row user image variable, so it will display user image. After this we want to display username who has liked particular post, so here we have write $row username variable which will print username. Here we have write $row username because this user has liked other user post. Then after we have write $output variable, and in this variable we have append HTML code like open and close list tag, and between this we have write $username variable with text like your post value get from $row description variable. Now we have write $data variable is equal to array with key notification with value $output variable, and second key unseen notification with value $total row variable. So here we have save all output in this $data variable in array format. Lastly, we want to send this $data variable value to Ajax request in JSON format. So we have write echo statement with JSON encode function, and under this function we have write $data variable. This function will convert PHP array JSON and send to Ajax request. So now we have go to index page load unseen notification function. Under this function we have go to success function, and under this function first we have write $ with drop down menu class with method, and under this method we have write data.notification. It will display notification data under an order list with class drop down menu. Then after we have write if statement, and under condition we have write data.unseen notification greater than 0. This condition will check if value of this greater than 0, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write $count class with HTML method, and under this method we have write data.unseen notification. It will display number of unseen notification under label with class count. Now we want to call this function when page has been load, so we have simple write load unseen notification function. So when page has been loaded, then this function will be called and it will display notification under header notification. So now we have check output in browser. Here friends, first we have login into system by entering email johnsmith@gmail.com, and in password we have enter password. After login into system we have go index page, and on this page we can header with one notification menu, and near notification we can see 2 number, that means he received 2 notification. When we have click on notification like we can see 2 notification details and drop down menu. Now we want to remove notification when we have seen particular notification and number of notification also removed from web page also. So for this we have go to jQuery code on index page, and here we have write jQuery code like $ with document as selector with on method, and under on method first we have write click event notification class drop down toggle class with function. So when we have click on notification link, then at that time this code will be execute. Under this first we have write $ with label class count with HTML method with blank value. So when we have click on notification link, then unseen notification number has been removed from notification link. After this we want to load notification from database, so we have call load unseen notification with argument view is equal to yes. So it will fetch notification data from table display under notification drop-down menu. But here we have defined view argument value yes. So it will update comment status from not seen to seen, that means unread to read. So for we have go to load notification.php page, and here we have write condition like if statement, and under condition we have write $post view variable is not equal to blank, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write $select query variable is equal to select star from content table where user id is equal to user ID. This query will return particular user post from content table. Then after we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement, and under this we have write $select query variable. This statement may query for execution. Now we want to execute this query, so we have write $statement variable with execute method, and under this method we have pass user id value from $session user id variable in array format, and this method will execute select query. Below this we have write $result variable is equal to $statement with fetch all method. This method will fetch result from query execution and store into $result variable. Now we have write for each loop, and under condition we have write $result variable as $row variable. By using this loop we can fetch data from $result variable. Under this loop we have write $update query variable is equal to update user content like table set status is equal to scene where contented is equal to : contented and status is equal to : status. This update query which particular user content like data and user content like table, so here we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement, and under we have write $update query variable. Now we want to execute this query, so we have write $statement variable with execute method, and under this method we have pass : contented value from $row contented variable, and : status value is not sent in array format. This method will execute query. After update of data we want to get final number of notification data, so again we want to execute this query again. So here we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement with $query variable. Now we want to execute queries, so we have write $statement variable with execute method, and under this method we have pass : user id value from $session user id variable, and : status value is equal to not seen in array format, and this code will execute query. Then after we want to update $total row variable value. So we have write $total row variable is equal to $statement with row count method. This method will return number of the total row which we have stored under total row variable. So now this variable value has been changed, and this variable value we have already passed in array. So here our code is ready, so we have check output in browser. Friends, first we have refreshed the page, and now we can still see two notification which we have already seen. Now we have again click on notification. After clicking on notification, number of notification has been removed, and we have again click on notification. Now we can see no new notification. Now in other browser we have made login with email as donyahuber@gmail.com, and in password we have enter password. After login into system we can see an index page with header share content form, and below we can see latest post. So in here we have share something like YouTube new look is very nice for any user, and click on post button. After clicking on post button, post has been come into latest post. Here we can see with like button. Now we have go to John Smith login browser, and here we can see Donya Huber post in latest post with like button. So now John Smith has liked Donya Huber post, and after click on like button has been removed from that post. Now we have go to Donya Huber login area, and now in notification tab we can see one notification. After click on notification, one value has been removed, and under we can see John Smith has liked your YouTube post, and here we can also see John Smith picture also, and that post number of like has been changed from 0 to 1. So this is our simple like system with notification, in which user can log in into system, he can share their review with other user. All user can see all user post, all user can like particular post only one time, and after like of content, that post user will receive notification. If you have any query regarding this video tutorial part, please comment your query in comment box, and if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.